Hello, welcome to Avio's Journey. Today's topic is, can you get audiobooks on Fiverr? Okay, I hear this question a lot. Hey, Anthony, can I get audiobook jobs on Fiverr? Hey, Anthony, should I be on Fiverr? I do audiobooks. What does it pay? I hear Fiverr doesn't pay very good. Should I do audiobooks? All that stuff. So today we're going to talk about, can you get audiobook jobs on Fiverr? Real quick, I want to do a shout out to everybody. Thank you. We just hit 14,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. I feel like there should be like, yeah, stuff flying everywhere in the screen. But you have to be, yeah. So we have 14,000 subscribers. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it. And you guys have watched a lot of videos, so thank you for sticking around. Really exciting news as well. We have started publishing our publishing company through Avio's Journey, Elite Academy and Academy Voices. So we've got about 11 projects going on right now, audiobook projects. So that's really exciting, publishing those. And so I'll keep you updated about that. That just all goes through our academy. We choose people who are in our academy, and they get books, and we publish them. So really excited about that, and I'll keep you up to date. But thank you so much about the 14,000 subscribers. All right, so let's get into, can I get audiobook jobs on Fiverr? Okay, and if so, what do I charge? What does that look like? All right, so first and foremost, yes, the answer is yes, you can get audiobook jobs on Fiverr. In fact, I love Fiverr for audiobook jobs because, interestingly enough, despite all of the challenges when it comes to pricing, okay, and whether you're for or against variable pricing and everything like that, when it comes to audiobooks, I mean, I guess it really, because audiobooks, the pricing is so solidified across everything, no matter where you are, the pricing doesn't change. So a lot of times I find that the pricing is better on Fiverr than it is a lot of other places, right? Whether you're starting out at $50 to $100 to $150 per finished hour, and you use an engineer, or you don't, or you're doing $250 or $300 a finished hour or up, you can get those rates on Fiverr. I've gotten all of those rates on Fiverr, and I think it's because people come and just like anywhere else, right? And those are the prices that everyone's charging. Which again does make the argument about, what if we all charge a different price on Fiverr? Would all the rest of the prices go up? Probably. Okay. But then it probably wouldn't be that platform. But we're not talking about that. We're talking about audiobooks. So in this particular case, the answer is yes. There's a lot of audiobook work going through Fiverr. Okay, and it's all per finished hour. There's no royalty share, right? Because it's got to be paid. Another wonderful thing is, right, is Fiverr uses an escrow, and they have to pay up front. All right, even though you don't get access to that money until the job is done, Fiverr does allow you to use milestones as well. So like you can decide to do with the author or rights holder, every chapter you get paid some money. Okay, you can do it that way, or you can do it halfway and halfway, whatever. But either way, they have to pay everything up front, so they've had to put up the money. And I always find that really nice, so that I know I'm not being kind of taken to the shed. So that's a nice feature that I think. And the pricing pretty much is, on board with everything that we as the industry charge for audiobooks. So I really like Fiverr for audiobooks. And if you are just trying to figure out, hey, how do I get up on that platform? I don't have a demo yet. I'm not really fleshed out. Audiobooks are a really great thing because, you can create an audiobook demo pretty simple. Okay. So basically what I like to do is, you can either do single reads. You know what I mean? Like you pick a story, Dracula by Bram Stoker, right? And you go ahead and read the first minute and a half or 2 minutes. You do a minute and a half, 2 minute read. There's you go. There's your demo that you can put up on your Fiverr account, and you don't have to, we don't have to include background music. You don't have to do all that stuff. okay, which is really cool. So I think that that's a really positive thing about getting up on audiobooks and getting them up on Fiverr, because that'll give you some freedom to get moving a lot quicker without having to have your demos done yet and all those things. Because as you know, that takes practice, it takes money, it takes more time. So anyways, I really think that that's a good... definitely a good course to take. So with that being said, I would make sure as well that you do have 3 different options on Fiverr. I mean, when it comes to like MP3 files that you can upload, you know, since it's audiobook, upload all 3, upload different ones. I would upload a fiction, something nonfiction, maybe, or you can upload like something from first person, third person, as well as something dialogue. You know what I mean? It's always good to make sure you can create a little PDF file that you can upload on there, because Fiverr lets you put in a PDF file about your terms. You know, how do you work? How fast do you deliver? Et cetera, et cetera. It's just a way to give people who are looking for that information how to find it. And also be prepared for that. Put that in your FAQs too, about how you operate with audiobooks, how fast you do a finished hour, what they can expect. All right? But otherwise, the answer is absolutely yes. You should be on Fiverr for audiobooks, and it's one of the first things that I got on Fiverr doing. So I hope that helps. Thank you guys for watching again. Thank you so much for 14,000 subscribers. I really love it. And also make sure you check out the link below to A VO's Journey Lead Academy and our ACX course. All right, if you're looking to grow on your ACX course or your Fiverr course. I got a Fiverr course below if you're trying to grow on Fiverr as well. So we'd love to have you at any of those places. Have a wonderful, wonderful Thursday. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.